Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S75 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications just by swiping down. Do so once again to extend the list of toggles, and hopefully on those toggles will be the screen recorder. Now for me it is right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can simply press on it. It will give you a pop-up right over here. So you can record audio, either device, microphone, or both. And obviously if you don't want to record anything, just keep the toggle off. And below that, we have show touches on the screen, which I will enable just so you can see how that will look like on the screen recording. From there, we're going to select start, which will begin a 3-second countdown. Then with the notification, it will start recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now, I'm gonna just kind of make a couple of circles on the screen just so we can see that little dot. Now also applications that you open will be recorded for the most part. And once you're done recording, you can simply pull down your notifications and select stop. And this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. Now, going back to what I said, for the most part, meaning most of the applications can be recorded, but there are some applications that will block your screen recorder from functioning. And just to kind of give you like an application that I know from the top of my head that does this, it would be Netflix and, for instance, bank applications. So what you will end up having is just a black screen with sound for Netflix, which obviously probably not what you were looking for. So if you ever encounter that your screen recorder just turns off or just records black screen, that is the reason for it. Now, to go into our Photos application, I'm just going to quickly show you the screen recording. It's visible right over here. So you can also see this dot right over here. That is where my finger was pressing, and that is the toggle that I have turned on. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.